Right, today we're going to be testing G-Shock GPR-B1000 just on a walk with the dog using the GoPro Hero 8 Black, using 1080 60 linear. So let's see how we go with this. Just keep you updated with the watch every now and again. All this is doing is tracking where I'm going to. So we're going to track it, and then when we get back I can show you how it runs out with the Hero 8 and the G-Shock watch. Right, just a little bit of an update on the G-Shock. 1 second. Not moved very far because I was stopped talking to one of the neighbours. Right, so I'm out with AC again. AC, say hello. So, right, another bridle path walk this. Just a little shout out to David Harry, costing me a fortune. All these GoPro mods, what he's on about, I end up buying them. I bought the GoPro Seeker bag, rucksack, took it to Thailand that and it was really good. Kept all my camera equipment safe, wasn't too heavy, robust, kept everything dry when we was on the boat trips. Yeah, it's good. I know it's a bit of a run about the G-Shock, but I'm also going to be talking about the GoPro Hero 8 as well. Found this camera unbelievable. I've got the GoPro Hero 5. I like it, but this just pushes that red out of the water. Anyway, I'll just show you where we're walking to. Walking down here. Oh, a bit muddy. Let's just get out the mud. Right, this is his daily morning walk, this afternoon walk, especially on our day off, and then I'll have one on the field. But yeah, GoPro Hero 8, let's just see where we're up to on the G-Shock. Yeah, it's just recording where we're walking to. I've been walking for 16 minutes, but I stopped for about 10 of them. So, right, yeah, the GoPro Hero 8. Love David Harry's videos about his comments about the GoPro Hero 8 and the other GoPros what he's had, and obviously I was going to go for the GoPro Hero 7, but with the complications that David Harry had, and Robert John Kerr, he's another nice lad, I put me off it a little bit. So I waited to see the review on David Harry and Robert John Kerr. Yep, so thanks for your advice, and I bought one, and I've bought a few more accessories with it as well. So I'm just going to walk down here now to show you where we are again. Afternoon. So Ace loves his little walk, don't you, lad? Eh? So now we're going to go back through the field again. Sorry about the unstableness. Right, let's go around that way. So yeah, G-Shock GPR-B1000 BER, navigation watch, triple sensor. Just testing it, and like I said, when I get back I'll upload the it's like a mapping system of where you've been, what you've stopped, how long you've walked, the altitude, etc. Right, just go through here. Right, so yeah, like I say, a bit about the GoPro and a bit about the G-Shock watch, this video. I've gone what Robert John Kerr said about 1080, and doesn't use much memory, and the video quality doesn't look too bad, to be honest. I do like it, and I love just getting used to videoing yourself and talking to yourself and people looking at you strange, but and obviously other people looking and giving you comments. Come on, walk on. Right, let's just let the dog off 1 second. Just have a look round while I'm taking him off. Right. Yeah, it is a bit strange videoing yourself, but I suppose I'll get used to it in the end. This is a place in near Clipston. It's just his normal walk, what we have with him. He loves the walk, I love, well, I don't love it, but he's got to go. Back to the G-Shock, let's have another look. Right. I don't know if I've done this right, but time will tell. Right, I'll come back to you in a minute, 1 second. Right, I think I've set it up right, but time will tell when I get back. Yeah, back to David Harry and Robert John Kerr. Robert Kerr. Thanks for your videos, love them. It's given me a bit of enthusiasm to get out and do it. Robert, good luck with your adventure and your wild camping. Once you get used to it, you'll enjoy it, you'll love it. I hope you find a spot where you're going to go wild camping, and yeah, thanks for all your advice and your videos, what you do. Right, just watch the dog here. He's mad fit. He's got his mad fit now. Right. If anybody's got any more advice on like starting off using this GoPro and videoing yourself, give us some tips, please. I can't get used to it. I mean, you feel a bloody idiot at times doing it, but like I say, it's an enjoyment. It's good for other people to watch and see what the GoPro Hero like in real life, taking the footage of yourself and video surroundings around you. I just hope I can get into it and get some proper good videos up and get some more subscribers and likes, and I hope you do like it. Just going back to the G-Shock again, it doesn't seem to be moving on here, but it says I've been moving for 25 minutes, so I can see when I get back and see what it gives to me. But give you a little quick look around the G-Shock watch. Let me just show you. It's navigation, triple sensor. It's got quite a bit on it, but it doesn't look like it's moving anywhere. Yeah, I seen it in on one of the lads who was in Thailand with us, and I liked it. And when I got back, I thought I'd like to have it, but anyway, my missus went and said go and get it. So she bought it for my 50th. So yes, I know I don't look 50. I look more like 60. But let's see what happens now and see what this G-Shock records back when we get back to the house. But end of the day, it is what it is. It's an expensive watch, but let's see if it does its job. But a lot of people complain about it, saying that you can't put in where you want to go to when you're out in the air without using your phone. Well, if you know you're going to go somewhere, press navigate, it'll record where you're going to, and then backtrack. So it'll send you back to where you've been. So I can't see any problem with it, where it's going to record where you're going to, and then you backtrack to where you've been. But people are saying they want this on it, they want that on it. It's not a watch which is going to answer your calls, video messaging, and it's just a survival watch. It's just a watch to get you from, if you get lost, if you get stuck in somewhere, you want to find your way back out of it. So just press navigation. It'll take you back to where you want to go to. See where we're up to. It is moving, so right, I've just got back now and I've uploaded the map of where I've just walked to with the, so I'm just going to show you now how it was done. Right, let me just point down, I can show you. Right, this is exactly how it shows back on the mapping. It comes up like that. All activity. And this is what I've done today. A 3D map. It shows you exactly where you've been. Shows they stopped there, like I said before, talking to somebody for about 5 or 10 minutes, and then it'll carry on where I walked to. You can zoom in and tell you exactly where I walked to. You can also tells you where it's been, starts and the goal. Replay back and put it on a low setting so it'll go slower. And if you wanted to, you can also put it on satellite. That's a satellite image. Like I said, zoom in once it starts. And see it's starting there. Like I said, I'm just repeating back where I've been. Zoom in. You can see it on that. It even tells you how long you stop for. And I'm off again. I didn't think it was doing it, logging where I was going to, but obviously it has done. And it just brings me back to where total time 36 minutes, 37, 38, 39, 40 minutes, 41 minutes. So that's what it does. I hope you enjoyed watching it, and if you do, please subscribe, and thanks for watching. Hope to catch you next time. Bye.